Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Barnett Whitetail Hunter 2 Crossbow. This crossbow is an all-around excellent contender in the budget crossbow field. It's well made and rugged, fully capable of putting game on your table. Heavy-duty, dual-stage lockable latches and a built-in pressure release valve also help the gun cases withstand the continuous bumping and jarring of airline travel. Trigger Tech technology with 3-pound zero creep release. All stainless steel components. Knock sensor and eliminate dry fires. One of the main features of this bow is the Trigger Tech precise trigger control mechanism, which uses a patented design called frictionless release technology. The assembly also utilizes an anti-dry fire system with a knock sensor. The components of the PTC system are constructed of stainless steel to withstand exposure to the elements. Our second best crossbow under $500 is Killer Instinct Burner Crossbow. With 220 pounds draw weight, and the 141 feet per pound kinetic energy to achieve a 415 feet per second arrow speed, this crossbow is enough to have crossbow enthusiasts drooling, especially if they have a budget of under $500. Knock down the biggest and strongest game with a heart-pounding 415 feet per second. 6th position our style buttstock and adjustable X-lock provide a customized fit. Enhanced micro-light aluminum barrel and 3.5-pound Killer Tech trigger for consistent accuracy shot after shot. This is visible in the bow's adjustability that allows for just about anyone can handle. Third choice in our list is Centerpoint Axe 185 BK Crossbow. With high-quality components and the fastest out of our 5 top picks is Centerpoint Sniper Elite Whisper. It has high-performance 370 FPS 18-inch axle-to-axle at full draw and 185-pound draw weight. Fully adjustable stock and foregrip contains for a customized fit to shoulder with confidence. Quad limbs with precision machine cam system which delivers power and accuracy. In terms of integrated string suppressors it has a quiet, vibration-free shot. With durable, lightweight design it contains aluminum and composite, easy to carry and maneuverable in the field. Number 4 in our side is Barnett Explorer XP Crossbow. The Barnett Explorer XP 370 is affordable and better for performance and accuracy. The crossbow ships mostly assembled, meaning you'll have very little to do except for finishing touches and getting out to shoot. After that, you'll get to experience the 165 pounds draw weight, 115 feet-pounds kinetic energy, and the 370 feet per second arrow speed that is on par with other higher-priced bows. Soft lock floating bristle arrow retainer to keep from dry firing vertical bar Trigger Tech frictionless release technology package includes string and rail lube wax. The Barnett Explorer XP 370 is safe to use, and that's partly because of the anti-dry fire trigger system. Last in our top 5 best crossbow under $500 list is Centerpoint Sniper 370 Crossbow. This Sniper 370 crossbow ensures powerful performance, smooth operation, high accuracy, and speed. A hunter on a budget can pick this best crossbow without any doubt. It is lightweight and durable, so you can carry it outdoors with ease. The CNC machined cam system is made of lightweight and durable material. It shoots a bolt at a maximum speed of 370 FPS. All in all, it is a better choice for a beginner who seeks their first bow. Starting with lightweight and durable aluminum construction and a fully adjustable stock and pass-through foregrip, shoulder the bow with confidence to fit your shooting style. Quad limbs, precision machine cam system and rail with shoot-through riser ensure exceptional power and accuracy at a draw weight of 185 pounds and mind-blowing speeds of up to 370 feet per second. It comes with a multi-level and auto-safety framework. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.